If you notice all your lights blinking, then that means the AC heater control module picked up a fault. The way for you to get the codes is to do a calibration test. And if the faults are still there, it will throw out the codes. We're going to perform the calibration test by turning the key on. Setting the blower motor to the high position. Setting the mode door to the face. And the temperature control fully cold. The rear wiper and the rear wiper washer. Hold it down for about 5 seconds. When all lights are steady, release the button. And the system will start a self-test. As you can see, the lights are blinking. That's code number 12. Then I'll go to the next code, which is code number 14. One blink, and you count them many times. It's 5. That's 15. And that's 8 for 18, and it will start over with the same codes, and you just keep repeating them until you shut the key off. Once you correct the problem, all you have to do is a calibration test, and the system will automatically erase the codes.